Hello guys and welcome to my channel Techno Entertainers. So in this video we shall talk about how to enhance the quality of any picture. So without wasting time, let's get started. First step, open Google Play Store in your Android. Now tap on search button and search for UpPhoto. After searching, click on this app and install it. I had already installed this on my Android. And after complete installation, open it. Now click on Try Now. After clicking Now, give it a permission of your storage. But here I am not giving it this permission, because I only want a sample picture. Now click on the picture which you want to enhance, and I am clicking on this sample picture. Now click on Enhance. Now after the complete loading, you will get your picture. You can check the difference between before and after enhancing picture. I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on the below thumbs up button and also subscribe my channel Techno Entertainers. Thanks for watching.